Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Vanguard Jin Woo. First, you need to summon the base mythic Sung Jin Woo unit from the game's special banner. This unit is exceptionally rare, with a summon rate of about 0.5%, making the initial acquisition quite challenging. It's the foundational step before you can begin any of his powerful evolutions, so patience is key here. Once you have the base unit, your next goal is to evolve him into Sung Jin Woo Monarch. This requires collecting several key materials, including 12 Shadow Trace, 30 Green Essence, 12 Pink Essence, 10 Yellow Essence, and 1 Rainbow Essence. Additionally, you'll need to spend 15,000 gold. This evolution greatly enhances his power, preparing him for the ultimate form. To reach the Vanguard form, you must first acquire the Elixir of Life. This legendary item is obtained by completing a special 4-part questline, which is unlocked with a red key. You can get the red key as a 10% drop from dungeons or purchase it for 2,000 Monarch tokens. Be prepared for a significant grind to finish these quests. The Elixir of Life questline involves several demanding tasks. You'll need to defeat the Ant King 50 times, sacrifice 30 mythic or higher units, summon 5,000 shadows using Sung Jin Woo's Arise ability, and sacrifice an evolved Igris unit. Once you have the elixir, combine it with 50,000 gold to finally evolve your unit into the powerful Vanguard, Sung Jin Woo and Igris.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.